KINGKAR is a high-tech, elite manufacturing enterprise focusing on the research and development, production and export of oxy-hydrogen energy equipment. We expertly invented the HHO carbon cleaner machine and globally registered the HHO brand in 2015. Our products became the first one in the world using HHO gas and HHO cleaner agent to do engine carbon cleaning. In 2017, KINGKAR invented a new cleaning machine for cars that uses only 2 liters of water to clean and sterilize the car both inside and outside. KINGKAR has been operating in the field of oxy-hydrogen energy utilization for several years, and we have earned a great deal of patents, including 4 patents for invention, 13 patents for utility models, and 2 for industrial design. In order to ensure our products, all of which have been independently developed and manufactured solely in-house, meet all operational requirements, we built our own manufacturing, assembly and testing workshops and production lines with surface mount technology, SMT. By strict inspection and testing of accessories from the first moment of entering the factory to assembly, including power on test, appearance inspection, thermal abuse test, overpressure test, normal operation debugging, as well as additional detection procedures. We ensure that all outgoing products are in ideal working condition and very high quality. Additionally, our professional sales teams and service teams will handle any issue which may arise. We consider China as the center of our market, and our influence is radiating outwards to the global market. Today, KINGKAR has become an established brand of oxy-hydrogen gas generators globally. Our products have received excellent feedback and support from Europe, America, and Asia. Hello everyone, I am Huang Renhua, the General Manager of KINGKAR Eco Technologies Company Limited. The oxy-hydrogen gas generator we produce is an excellent example of new energy products, which only consume electricity and water, and this machine has successfully replaced several traditional products. In the future, we will continuously devote ourselves to producing more and better environmental protection equipment. We warmly welcome more new customers, as well as regular patrons to join us. Thank you. This is the HHO engine carbon cleaning machine designed and produced independently by KINGKAR. This HHO engine carbon cleaning machine combines HHO cleaner agent with HHO gas for double cleaning of car engines. The combustion of the HHO gas will decompose carbon deposit inside engine combustion chamber. The HHO cleaner agent will clean special parts, example, DPF, and protect all the parts from engine inlet to exhaust pipe. HHO carbon cleaner will reduce the exhaust gas emission of cars, improve car performance, prolong lifetime of vital engine parts, and also help car drivers save repairing costs. Currently, this product is used to clean petrol engines and diesel engines of cars, trucks, buses, and so on. This product is KINGKAR's GoClean Car Wash Steam Cleaning Machine. The GoClean Car Wash Steam Cleaning Machine will produce both dry steam and wet steam, which is used to clean both the interior and exterior of the car simultaneously. The dry steam is mainly used to clean the interior of cars, such as engine compartment, automotive air conditioner, automotive leather interior, and so forth. The wet steam is mainly used to clean the exterior of cars, such as car bodies and wheels. This machine is made of stainless steel. An intelligent computer makes it easy to control and operate this machine. The GoClean Car Wash Steam Cleaning Machine only needs 2 liters of water to clean a car and has no need for any chemical reagents. Currently, this product has become a popular car washing machine among many customers. The oxy-hydrogen gas generator produced by KINGKAR only requires water and electricity to generate oxyhydrogen. The oxyhydrogen gas produced by this machine is instantly consumed and has no need for storage or transportation. Our product is low carbon, environmentally friendly, safe, and reliable. The oxyhydrogen gas can not only serve as an auxiliary fuel to improve the combustion efficiency, but also can completely replace the traditional energy, such as ethane and propane, to achieve purposes of energy saving and high efficiency. Today, this product has been applied in the fields of steel cutting and welding. Combustion supporting of boiler and generator, waste incineration, and so on.